Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Ford Kuga 1.5 ST line. This is a 150 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in shadow black. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, grey coloured grille, front parking sensors, which is part of the park assist pack, body coloured styling kit, got the body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, you've got the matte black roof rails, rear privacy glass, (18-inch) diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side, ST line wing badges. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey Alcantara upholstery with leather side panels and red stitching. ST line threshold plates, rear passenger area, so room for 3 passengers in the rear of the car, centre armrest with cup holders, ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. You've got a 12-volt accessory plug-in point for the rear passengers. Electric rear window operation, near side rear alloy wheel, rear parking sensors, again part of the park assist pack, so into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, 12-volt accessory plug-in point, and this car is equipped with the space saver spare wheel. Moving round to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel, inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box. Inside the storage box you've got 2 USB plug-in points. So this car's done 42,305 miles, 6-speed gearbox. You've got the heating system which has got climate control, so it's dual climate control, controls for the park assist, stop start deactivation switch, then you've got the 8-inch touchscreen media system. So on there in the home page you've got AM, FM and DAB radio stations, CD player, and you've got Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device. Navigation, you've got full screen maps, controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter, volume control for the radio and station selections, and then on the other side you've got the volume control, and you've also got the buttons for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. So with the park assist, when you press the button, you get the option of which parking space you're going to be looking for. Then you've got the instructions of what you need to do, basically using your indicator to search for a parking space, and then it's just a matter of following the instructions to help you park the car. Identification plate that tells it's the Ford Kuga ST line 150 brake horsepower. It's a 1.5 EcoBoost engine. It's a Euro 6 engine, and this is the two-wheel drive version. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.